The synthetic marijuana is being sold in some stores right here on the island.
And while the weed is fake, its dangers are very real.
News 12 Long Island's Matt Jablow has the story you'll see only on 12.
It goes by various names: Extreme Spice, Everest, Spike 99. But whatever it's called, right now it's legal in New York, but it won't be for long if State Senator John Flanagan has his way.
We want to raise awareness. We want to ban the sale.
Flanagan recently introduced a bill banning the sale of synthetic marijuana, which Flanagan says is just as powerful as real marijuana.
Kids now can go into a store, a head shop where you can buy all this paraphernalia, and you can buy a legal substance that is not pot itself, but has the same chemical characteristics.
Flanagan says the fake marijuana also costs about the same as the real deal.
Not for human consumption.
We bought a small container of Extreme Spice for $28 at East Coast Psychedelics in Comac. What's in it? The label says, among other things, hops flower, passion flower, and lemon balm. Interestingly, the label also says it is not for human consumption. According to Senator Flanagan, Kansas is the only state in the country so far that has approved a law banning synthetic marijuana. 4 other states have similar bills pending: Kentucky, Missouri, Tennessee, and now New York.
It's potentially very dangerous.
Lisa Kessler is program director at Central Nassau Guidance and Counseling Services. She supports the proposed ban on fake marijuana.
Like pot and alcohol, they are absolutely gateway drugs and can lead to stronger substances that are out there.
Kessler says while the marijuana is fake, the dangers are very real. Senator Flanagan agrees.
I want to protect kids in my community.
Which is why he's hoping his bill is signed into law by the end of the spring. Matt Jablow, News 12 Long Island.
Though the fake marijuana is legal right now, it's included on the Drug Enforcement Administration's list of drugs and chemicals of concern.